Dinorwic Slate Quarry stands tall overlooking the town of Llanberis. It closed on 22nd of August 1969 and it mostly remains untouched, as we will see here. Walking down the incline, much of the track bed still in place. So at the bottom of the incline, you can just about make out the two tracks that would have gone up to the surface, which probably would have been gravity fed, where the full carts would have been brought down and then the empty trucks taken up. A little further down the track is the old winch, still in situ. Some old point workings here. Then we come to the old winch engine house.
Is that electric? Is this electric?
Quick look now from the other side of the old winch. See the tracks there of the points. Then another incline stretching down, double track. So this winch would have hauled the wagons up. So part way down the incline, you can see one of the wire ropes that would have hauled the wagons up to the surface. It's still in situ. Pretty good condition. And then halfway down, come to the quarry workers' cottages. The living conditions here must have been pretty unimaginable now. High up on the hillside in the Welsh Highland weather. There's lovely views. Now we take a look at the hidden waterfall. We'll scramble up here now. Get into the actual quarry tunnel itself. See the tunnels and the waterfall. One of the jewels of Dinorwic Quarry.